Thanks for joining us for our platform demos. Today's episode, we're going to be focusing on the platform itself. Let's get started. As you can see here, the platform is an integrated, centralized system of a number of different tools you need to manage, market, and run your business. Everything from your website builder, content marketing systems, a social media platform to manage all your social profiles, email marketing and automation systems, directory listings so that you can make sure your business is listed on all the major directories online, as well as get that SEO boost you're looking for. Review management to manage all your different reviews, respond to them, and make sure that you're gaining new reviews. A CRM to help make sure you're managing everything from your sales to your inventory to your supply chain and everything in between. And appointments for those that want people to be able to book appointments right with them online. All of these tools are integrated directly into the platform, so you don't have to log into a dozen different platforms. You simply log into the single platform here, and all the tools you have activated for your account are live right here, single sign-on, easy to manage. The beauty of a system like this is also that you can manage multiple locations or multiple businesses. Say you're a franchise business, multi-location business, or you're a marketing agency or media company that manages a number of different clients. Just quickly jump into whichever account that you want, and then the tools that you have activated for that specific account are active and ready to go. The dashboard here is also an integration with Google Analytics, so you can see what your analytics look like and be able to measure things and see exactly where you're getting visitors and how people are attending your site. In the notification system, you can get notifications for all the different things that are happening within your platform. Let's say you have some new social media to engage with. You're getting a notification that you need to go check that out. Or maybe you have new reviews, same thing. Makes it very easy to manage all of your different systems within the platform seamlessly. In the system here, you can manage your profile. You can set up different users and different user access levels right through the user management system. You can manage your different businesses and locations here, your billing, financial reporting, and of course, access the support team that runs 24/7 to make sure you get the support that you need. As you can see, again, the beauty of a system like this is it makes it just much easier and much more seamless to manage the tools that you need to market your business, all within one invoice, one support channel, and all in a single platform you only have to log into once. Want to learn more? Click the link there in the video description to schedule your product tour today.